Welcome back to the Tech Shack to another low quality video. Now this computer is back in the shack for the third time, alright, and that is because it's in here for a repair, kind of. It was checked in under the repair category, but there's nothing physically wrong with it. Alright, it's just the original owner of this computer. I've since built him two main desktop computers. This was originally like his LAN party travel PC. He has since done a lot less LAN partying. He's home a lot more. And he wants to make this basically a bedroom gaming PC or a bedroom gaming console. So he specifically requested we make it a Steam machine. So we are going to install Bazzite OS on here. And before that, I'm going to have Rob here go over the specs of this current machine, as well as the specs we actually recommend you do if you rebuild this computer.
Okay, so this acrylic version of the case is way too expensive. So we would recommend the mesh side panel. It can be had as a bundle with the riser cable and power supply for $100. Almost the same price as the acrylic version by itself. The RAM prices were current used eBay prices for a Corsair 3200 kit. Similar kits can be had for around $70, so the price is realistic and achievable. The SSD pricing is the current price at Amazon and Best Buy for a Crucial P310. RIP Crucial. The motherboard, I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name, but it's $86 ITX form factor. It is the B550 chipset and has two M.2 NVMe slots with a second on the back of the board. It even has an M.2 for Wi-Fi. We did not go with a recommendation for the Machinist B450 board. While it's a great value board, it lacks the BIOS support. The brand we went with has a full-featured website with BIOS updates. In fact, in our original video with this board, Jeffy got a used one that had a corrupt BIOS. We were able to flash the correct BIOS thanks to their support website and has been running like a champ since.
Alright, so this white build of Jeffy's has been an absolute pain in the dick for the past week. Between bent pins on the CPU he ordered that I finally straightened, and everything, a damaged case. This was supposed to be an all-white mini ITX build. We finally get everything together, and the goddamn BIOS is corrupt.
A few moments later.
We were able to restore the BIOS. I cannot believe it. If we would have had the recording, it would have sounded like, I don't know, like Jeffy finally lost his virginity. The amount of excitement that was in the room when we fixed this.
This ITX board has more M.2 expansion, a newer chipset, and the correct form factor for a console-like gaming machine. Yes, you could do it cheaper with the Machinist board. Get the cheapest case you can find and a sketchy power supply, and you can undercut the price quite a bit. But it won't look like a gaming console and be at home in your living room or bedroom entertainment center. For the GPU, Jeffy has an RX 5600 non-XT, which you can get for around $100. However, the 6600 XT can be had on eBay for around $150, making it the much better value for a much better card. We chose the version of Bazzite that boots directly to SteamOS, so it powers on and suspends like a console, not a PC.
Alright, so that version that I had chosen was the one that boots directly into Steam, like big picture mode, because he really wanted this to be like a console, not a Linux desktop. So I am stuck here because I don't have his login information. I'm gonna try to do what you're not supposed to do and take a picture of that QR code and send it to him. See if he can scan it on his own main desktop computer and log me in. While I've enjoyed playing with Bazzite and I get its appeal, as I've stated in other videos, and I still stand behind that, I feel there are much better distros for a workstation. That being said, there is nothing better if all you're going for is a couch gaming experience. And it feels very much like a console, powers on, goes right into gaming, suspends like a console. Like, this is the ultimate couch gaming experience. But that's it for this low quality video. I will see you guys in the next one.